Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Toyota FJ Cruiser. This 4-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 77,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.